everyone, hope you are doing well, and today we are going to unbox the mystery box from Ravi Etching Press. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and I don't know what's inside of it, but I am kinda expecting some stationery and calligraphy supplies inside. I mean, yeah, this is the best part for any stationery lover. Alright, let's get straight to it. I'm Abhay, you're watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's do the unboxing. So first up, this box is really nicely packed, and I'm just going to quickly cut through all the tapes. Okay, so there you go. We have opened the box and let's see what we have inside. Okay, that's exciting. We have some of calligraphy supplies, so let's have a look at it. So this is a Speedball general purpose calligraphy set. Number 20, we have 6 pointed nibs, okay, and 2 straight holders. Alright, so I'm not a pointed pen kind of guy, but alright, I'm going to figure out a way to use them. And the pricing is not mentioned on the package, but I'm going to share the exact pricing in the description box down below. So in case if you want to know the pricing, please check the description box down below. Right, and okay, so this seems pretty nice. I haven't used these kind of nibs, but surely I'm going to. Okay, let's have a look at another product, and then we have Elegant Writer marker set. Okay, so these are broad edge markers, and I guess we have multiple sizes in that: 2mm, 2.5mm, 3mm, okay, 3mm to 3mm, and probably in different colors as well. Here we have the red one, green, silver, and gold. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to use that for sure. Let's see what Speedball has to offer. Okay, then we have, it seems like calligraphy papers. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so we have 2 kinds of paper here. Let's quickly pull them out. Okay, yeah, alright. So this is a watercolor kind of sheet. It has a texture more like a calligraphy kind of paper. Okay, it has a texture if you can see. Alright, this looks interesting. I love white papers. I love doing classic kind of calligraphy, the black on white. That's kind of my thing, so I am for sure going to enjoy these sheets. And let's see the other kind of sheets. So it seems like a handmade kind of sheets. Let's pull them out. Okay, yeah, these are more like handmade kind of sheets. These are pretty thin, probably for drawing purpose. Okay, these are pretty thin. And then we have some visiting cards that you get usually with any of these kind of boxes. Okay, and there you go, we have one more box inside of this one. So this is getting really exciting, and let's just quickly unbox this as well, and let's see what is inside of this one. Alright, so it was really nicely packaged, and I have finally opened it, and surprise, surprise, we have some Speedball inks inside. Wow. Okay, so this is not an ink, so previously I thought it's an ink, but it is basically a pen cleaner, and thank God, I was really in need of this. And this is the best thing that has arrived. Speedball pen cleaner. So this is used for cleaning the nibs. Okay, so yeah, this is really good. And let's see what other inks we have inside. Okay, so this is a gold one. Oh, I really like to try this gold. Wow, this seems really pigmented. Okay, I'm going to use them for sure. I am going to love it. Okay, and one more color we have. Yeah, it says the gold ink. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look for the last one. And okay, so this is the black one, super black. Okay, this is the black one. So all right, the gold, the black, and a pen cleaner. So this is the best surprise. Okay, all right. So which of the product you liked the most? Was it the pointed pen set, elegant writer marker set, papers, or the inks and nib cleaner? Let me know in the comment section and I'll be putting review of that product first. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked the unboxing video. Follow me over Instagram for daily dose of calligraphy. Till then, see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye bye.